Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Abdul Basit and today I have brought a poem for you. This poem is about the prevailing situation in the whole world. It shows how the world is overwhelmed with the fear of coronavirus, and it also shows the aftermaths of coronavirus in the whole world. I have written this poem myself, and the title of the poem is COVID-19. I hope that you will like this poem. Let me read this poem to you. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. So, the poem is COVID-19. Thousands of people are with corona diseased. Due to its outbreak, many are now deceased. All are anxious, all are immensely worried, for most of their dear ones are now buried. This is the time of trials and tribulations. This is the time of very grave situations. We must put ourselves wise to the matter, or else this world will completely shatter. Our political, social, and economic mechanism is under threat due to a microorganism. If beasts are vulnerable, so is mankind. But we, to this fact, are completely blind. From a poor man's hut to the royal palace, this coronavirus is keeping a balance. This is the matter that we cannot neglect. Thus, we need to ponder, we need to reflect. So thank you very much. If you like this poem, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.